Welcome friends, my name is Amit Kumar. Today we will understand how to install the AWS SSM agent on the Linux based operating system. I am trying to explain this process for two operating system, Ubuntu 22.04 and CentOS 7.9. So let's start. I have created a PPT, try to understand based on this PPT. So we need to follow some steps provided by AWS. Open this link, choose the operating system and processor type, copy the command to install the package, check the SSM service. If the service is not by default, it should be start, but if it is not started, we need to start manually. So if we open this document, we can come down. We can see that there are many operating systems processor are given. So I'm explaining to process CentOS 7 and Ubuntu 20. CentOS 7 processor is same processor we can use for Amazon Linux, Oracle Linux, Red Hat Linux also. But for Ubuntu, there is a different process. For SUSE also there is a different process. So we can follow the process which is available here. But I am explaining two process like CentOS 7, second, CentOS 7, CentOS and Ubuntu. So if I came to the CentOS page, it's saying that which operating system I have. I am having 7.x. So I am using this link. Again, there are two options, x86 and ARM based processor. So I am having this first one only. I am using this. So come on the Linux operating system. You can see my operating system is CentOS 7. You can also see the package. If I check the package status, mlist space package name, this package not in installed state. So just copy this command and paste this command here and check what it is doing. So now we can see that the package is being installed in the operating system. Package is downloading now. It will take 15 second or 30 second. So it will download the package. Come on the different operating system. My different operating system is Ubuntu. So on the Ubuntu page, my operating system is 22. So I am using first link. So here you can see that apt utility they are not using for this purpose. They are using a snap utility. Snap is nothing but a package management utility like snap, like apt. So what they are telling to switch the channel is nothing but a repository, online repository. They are saying that switch the repository to this candidate channel. So try to run this command. It is telling to us, just copy this command and we will try to use this command on the OS. You can see if I am checking snap space list space SSM agent, so this package is not in installed state. My operating system is also 22.04. So I have pasted the command here, and if I am checking, the command is saying that Amazon SSM agent is not installed. First we have to install the agent, then only we can switch the repository if we want. So now there is a different command available. You can come down, you can copy the command, you can install. Now here uh, here we can uh, in the uh, switch command they were using a different means channel name, but here they are using classic channel name for installing the purpose. If we whatever the package available in this repository, it will install in the OS now. So if we run this command, so we can see that this command is doing something in the background, and we can see that the package has been in installed state right now. If we run this command, it snap space list space Amazon SSM agent, the package has been installed in the operating system. Okay, so come on the different machine also, CentOS 7. You can see that the package has been installed now 3.2.286, but you can see on the Ubuntu they are installing 3.1.1732. It is very old package, but new package is available. So first try to install the same package on the different machine also, Ubuntu machine. But first we will check that the status of the service has been means what is the status of the service, is in running state or not. We can check like systemctl status and package name. Now you can see that it is showing in activating state. So in this situation, what we can do, we can stop and start the service. If we stop and start the service, so I believe it will status should be in running state right now. That you can see that the service status is in running state. CentOS machine, we have completed our task. Come on the separate machine. Here what was the problem? Package installation process we can understood. Now there is a next step, how to upgrade the package. But to upgrade the package, this command can, this we have already installed. But if we refresh like snap space refresh space package name, so this command will connect this repository, this stable repository, and try to upgrade the package. You can see that the package is not available, next package is not available in this repository. First we have to change the repository. Now the command which we're using here, snap space switch space channel candidate, this package name, we can use this command here. Last time it was not, it was giving error that time, but now you can see that the package, because package is in installed state, now the repository has been changed. And if we check the list, you can see that the latest coming with the candidate name instead of stable. Okay, again try to refresh this package. So you can see that the package command is going on and doing something in the background, and within some seconds only uh, output is available. Package has been upgraded to 3.2.286, the same package which we have installed in the Linux, CentOS Linux also. So here we can understood that how to install the package and how to upgrade the package. For CentOS 7 machine, there is no different procedure, just use same command like yum space install space the package name, whatever the command they have given here. The same command we can use for upgraded purpose also. If we have existingly, we have installed package and now there is a different version. So normally AWS team always update the package details here only on this path. So if we run this command, automatically it will upgrade to the latest version. So again there is a different step. Next step, we need to check the status of the service, it is in running state or not. Same command we can use, we can copy this command from here, and we can paste this command here. The status, what is the status of means is, I believe as Amazon SSM agent name is not sufficient. Some other extra names or some more or different name is available for Ubuntu. Check what is the name here. So you can see there is a different name they are using for Ubuntu. Just copy this name and paste here. You can see that the service is on. You can see that agent service is in running state. Now we have understood how to install the agent from scratch and how to upgrade the agent. If we have already existingly we have already installed package, so we can upgrade also. So because this is very important package and using for the monitoring purpose, so now I believe I have explained you uh, both option, how to install and how to upgrade. So I think this video is very helpful for you, and if you feel this video is very helpful for you, you can watch my video, next video also. Thanks for watching the video.